Are you tired of conforming to society's norms, enduring harsh punishments, and dealing with life's troublesome responsibilities? Well, come to NATURE-Licious, where you can enjoy snorkeling, tree hugging, cloud gazing, and much more. Snorkeling, tree hugging,
friends forever, cloud gazing. Ivy, Ivy, do you see that?
What? Where?
Okay, to the right of the turtle, but to the left of the duck.
That one?
Yeah, it's a unicorn. Okay, look, there's the horn, and then it's got the little wing coming out, and then there's the tail, and it's little four leggies. I don't see that.
You see the fun?
No, that was the horn.
No, that's the...
Okay,
are you kidding me? That's the dragon.
No. What? No. Horn. And then that's the tail right there. No, you're seeing it all wrong. No?
Unicorns don't have tails.
What?
Do they?
Yeah, they do.
No, they don't.
Yeah, they're like little horsey tails.
Yeah, but that one's a really long one. That's like a dragon. That's totally a dragon.
Oh, wait, no, that's a duck. That's a duck.
The duck is right next to it.
No. It's a family of ducks.
Oh my gosh, you're right.
I know.
I totally agree. Frolicking. Hey, you want to trade something for my Squirtle?
Oh, yeah, I don't have one of those.
Awesome.
What if I gave you a ponytail?
Oh, okay, those are cute. Wait, what? Unicorns have tails?
I told you that.
Oh. I swear they did.
Ivy.
Okay.
Do you have a Pikachu?
Go fish.
I just got one. Oh, I'm sweet.
Do you have a Diglett?
Nope, go fish. Do you have a Charmander?
Yes.
Sweet.
It's right here.
Dark Magician. Dark Magician. This is Yu-Gi-Oh! In NATURE-Licious, money is a thing of the past. We actually trade real goods and services that have actual value. Unlike paper money that's only worth what the government says it is. It's already getting bored. Okay, it's okay. Just fix this. I'll trade you my seeing eye ferret for your dog.
Okay. Let's do this.
Show what you got, Ivy.
Oh, here you go.
Seeing eye ferret. He's like, what are you doing here?
Just like nibbling.
He's not nibbling, it's just his nose. Prison got you down? Well, at NATURE-Licious, there are only 5 crimes which you can be punished for.
A person will only be punished for spilling blood of others intentionally, forcing conformity with society, harming nature, stealing, or degrading others. Falcon Punch!
NATURE-Licious. It's It's NATURE-Licious. It's fun like in a rock top. It's NATURE-Licious. Or in the sea when it's hot. It's NATURE-Licious. Leafy. Come to NATURE-Licious.